Hi guys, I'm back with the dip powder mani. So the colors we will be using today are from Revel Nail. We have Covetous, Mia, and On Point. I will also be using Revel Clear along with their dip liquids, and these are the regular dip liquids, so I am wearing my respirator so I don't suffer or develop dip flu. So let's go ahead and get into this application. I do have on Siam Designer Dips Peel Off Base Coat 2 coats, and I find that when I use this particular brand of Peel Off Base Coat, it does your dip base liquid dries faster when you put it on the nail, because I could have sworn I applied dip base to the entire nail surface, but apparently I did not. It was okay. It was corrected when I went in with the second coat of dip powder. And so now I'm going in with On Point. I will do 2 coats of that, laying my finger flat in the dip powder. This particular color I do believe came in a mystery box. I can't remember what themed mystery box it came in, but I believe it did. Yeah, not quite sure. And I know it's probably not, they probably don't sell it anymore, but I thought it was a really nice soft pink with glitter in it. It applied nicely, no problems at all. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the 1 ounce jar of that. I would like to do a whole hand, my entire hand with that, because I thought it was a very pretty color. And I have Black Friday, I think Revel had a sale. Well, they did have a sale. It's not, I think they did. And I got the little towel that you see in the background. I bought 2 of those, and they're microfiber towels. So something you can just shake the dip powder off, throw it in the wash, and do whatever you're going to do with it. I will encapsulate that nail in clear. You can encapsulate all your nails in clear to protect the color during filing and buffing, but I only put clear on my index finger, and so I did that off camera. And so I'm brushing off excess dip powder from all the nails, and then I'm going in to apply activator, which will harden the dip powder in preparation for filing and buffing. I'll do my filing and buffing off camera after about maybe 5 minutes of allowing that dip powder to sit on the nail and harden the dip powder. I'll then go in and do my filing and buffing off camera. So this is after fouling and buffing. I'm going in with some decals from Ooh Coco. I think it's Ooh Coco Decals, just my type 2. These are Bittles. It's a total of 6 decals that these are Valentine's Day themed, or what I think is Valentine's Day themed. They have hearts, and so I chose to use the pink background with the red hearts. And after I did this many, I realized I should have did a white nail with dip powder so that the image on the decal stood out better. And so I will not be using gel liquids to adhere this or encapsulate this decal. And so I'm going in with Maniology Sticky Base Coat. I'm going to apply that to my ring finger, and I will allow that to dry, and it becomes tacky, usually about maybe 30 to 45 seconds, if not shorter than that. And that gives the decal time to release from the paper backing. Usually I would do a nail stamper, but this time I just used my hand. I should have used a nail stamper. I don't know why I deviate from what I know works well. And so I'm removing that from the paper. It's a little rough. Again, you can use a stamper, and I'm applying that to my nail. I'm going to smooth that out as much as possible, and then off camera I'm going to go in with a nail brush and some acetone to clean up any excess decal from the side walls and the free edge and cuticle area of my nail. These are thicker decals, so if you're going to encapsulate using dip liquids, you want to wait 5 to 10 minutes to give that decal time to dry. And so I'm going in with Pro Base, which is Revel's Dip Base Liquid. I'm applying that to the nail with the decal, and then I'm going to encapsulate that or dip my finger in Revel's Vivien, which is the name of Revel's Clear. And so I'm going to do that, give that, clean that up, or if I need to, remove excess dip powder using my soft bristle toothbrush. I'm going to go in and activate, wait 5 minutes, and then I'm going to buff that nail. I've done my buffing. I'm going in and applying Revel's Activator. And Activator allows the dip top coat to dry nice and shiny. Now, in the past, I've had issues with Revel's top coat, but for this particular application, it turned out fine. And so I'm giving that a few minutes to dry. I then go in with a lint-free towel and wipe off or remove any excess activator from the nail. I'm going in with Finish Gel, which is dip powder top coat. The first coat, 3 swipes across the length and the width of the nail. And then by the time I do all 5 nails, I will go in with the second layer of top coat. The second layer can be more precise, and you also want to cap your free edge. I am off to the side wiping the brush off on a tattoo towel, just so that I don't want to get any activator inside of my Finish Gel bottle. And so again, we're just going to repeat that. So once those nails dried, they dried down in about 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. I went in with the Finish Gel because it is a glue, and I adhered some sparkly glass rhinestones, red, that came in a Daily Charme mystery box that I purchased. And so they went perfect with Mia. And so after that, I only applied it to my middle finger and my pinky finger because you can't see my thumb. So guys, here's the finished look. I applied cuticle oil off camera. Please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment and let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free in 2023. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.